Saturday morning, and we are at 1091 Christian Drive, getting ready to do a walkthrough video of this new listing in Christian Lake, which is right inside Watkinsville city limits. It is basically walkable to downtown Watkinsville. Great subdivision, great way to get into Oconee County below $400,000. Asking price of this one is going to be $399,900. It has got 4 bedrooms and 2 baths and a bonus room with a 2-car garage. So we're out here today getting ready to get some photos done. And this one's a unique listing as we come in because this was a rental for the owner, and he was going to get some work done inside to the flooring and paint and things like that and then go to market. Well, as it turns out, what we're going to do is offer 2 scenarios. One, you can buy the house and the seller will complete all the flooring per the buyer's selections, or he would also entertain an as-is offer in its current condition at a lower price. Offering right now, we're asking $399,900 to complete all the flooring, and then would entertain an as-is purchase price. As you can see, we're walked in right here to the living area, and while we've got new paint, the flooring has not been complete. So this is a slab foundation that you can come in and do various types of flooring depending on what the buyer wanted. Got a wood burning fireplace with a patio out the back. Very large lot, I might also add. So over here you have the dining area and the kitchen. You actually have a separate little dining area to the kitchen, and really there's another eat-in space. That goes to the 2-car garage and the bonus area, which we will backtrack to. One thing to note, it's always important to have a laundry room. Now this side of the house is where the main 4 bedrooms are. Your first bath is here. And then right here on the back end of the house, you have a very large owner suite. This house is just about 2,000 square feet when you count the bonus space. And walk-in closet. Get you a shot of it. Walk-in closet, and then we have a tub and shower combination with a double vanity. Now what we'll try to do, I try to keep these videos from getting too long, but we've got 2 more bedrooms on the front of the house. Bedroom 2. Now we'll go to bedroom 3. And we'll end our video with you getting a chance to see the upstairs bonus space. One of the things to mention is, along with the flooring, the seller will add a new air conditioning system to help supplement the upstairs bonus room. So currently there already is air conditioning, of course. He's just offering another one that would help this space that we're heading to now. So what you have is a bit of carpet on these stairs. There's actually quite a bit of attic storage right through that door. And this is sort of what's surprising as you come up here. You have a bedroom and a bonus. So this would be your bedroom. As you can see, you got a window and a closet, and then through there is the bonus room. Currently has a portable air conditioner hooked up. With the weather, it feels great up here right now, but additional air conditioning would never be a bad idea for a bonus room. So we got 1090 Christian Drive, $399,900, and that would be to complete all the flooring and the new air conditioning, or the seller will entertain an as-is purchase price with an offer.